When you look at a map of North America, you'll see a vast body of water nestled between the United States, Mexico, and Cuba, the Gulf of Mexico. This remarkable expanse is not just a geographical feature, but a living, breathing system that has shaped the destinies of nations and the lives of millions for thousands of years. It's more than a gentle curve on the continent's edge. It's a dynamic force shaping geology, weather, and life. The Gulf's presence is felt in the rhythm of the tides, the pulse of hurricanes, and the migration of countless species that depend on its waters. If the Gulf were a country, it would be the 21st largest in the world, bigger than Iran. Its sheer size is staggering, stretching over 600,000 square miles, and its coastline is a tapestry of cultures, cities, and wild places. This is no ordinary coastal feature. It's a small ocean whose influence stretches far beyond its shores. The Gulf's waters connect continents, and its currents reach out to touch distant lands, carrying warmth and life across the globe. The Gulf is a powerful engine, fueling storms, shaping economies, and even warming distant continents. Its energy drives weather patterns, supports vast fisheries, and powers industries that are vital to the world. Its story is a cosmic drama: supercontinents torn apart, salt moving deep underground, rivers carrying mountains to the sea. The Gulf's geological history is written in layers of rock and sediment, telling tales of ancient seas and shifting continents. To understand the Gulf is to see how geography shapes our world. Its swirling currents and ever-changing coastline are a testament to the power of nature and the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. Its waters hold secrets of ancient Earth, while its surface churns with energy that drives modern civilization. From prehistoric fossils to bustling ports, the Gulf is a bridge between past and present, nature and humanity. From the deepest abyss to the sunlit surface, every drop has a story. Life thrives here in astonishing forms, from mysterious, deep-sea creatures to vibrant coral reefs and vast schools of fish. So, let's dive in, exploring the Gulf's violent birth, its hidden currents, and its global impact. We'll uncover the forces that shaped it, the mysteries it holds, and the ways it continues to influence our planet. This is the story of America's tiny ocean, a hidden gem with the power to shape millions of lives. Join us as we journey into the heart of the Gulf of Mexico, where history, science, and wonder collide. At first glance, the Gulf of Mexico might seem like just another bay, a simple indentation along the continent's edge, easily overlooked on a map crowded with oceans and seas. But its design makes it extraordinary, an intricate blend of land and water, shaped by millions of years of geological drama. Nearly surrounded by land, the Gulf connects to the Atlantic through only two narrow gateways: the Yucatan Channel and the Straits of Florida, like secret passages between worlds. These small openings act like doors, controlling what enters and exits, and limiting the exchange of water with the vast Atlantic beyond. Water lingers here, warming under the subtropical sun, turning the Gulf into a massive battery of stored heat. This warmth doesn't just stay at the surface, it seeps deep, fueling powerful natural processes. Unlike a typical bay, the Gulf's restricted flow gives it a unique personality, its own temperature, salinity, and biology. It's a world apart, with conditions found nowhere else on Earth. This isolation is the secret to its power, allowing unique conditions to develop and influencing everything from the dazzling diversity of marine life to the intensity of hurricanes that form here. The Gulf isn't just a passive recipient of ocean currents, it's an active player in the planet's climate system, shaping weather patterns across continents and affecting millions of lives. Water enters as a simple current and leaves as a supercharged river of heat, carrying energy that can spark storms and alter climates far beyond its shores. The Gulf's shape, carved by ancient forces, makes it a critical engine of our planet. A natural laboratory where land, sea, and sky collide in spectacular ways. It's a geographic anomaly that punches far above its weight in global importance, influencing not just the region, but the entire world. The Gulf's design is the foundation of its identity and power, a testament to how geography can shape the destiny of an entire region, and even the planet itself. The Gulf of Mexico is fed not just by the ocean, but by the land. Its story is written by the rivers, rain, and soil that journey southward across a continent. This vast body of water is shaped as much by what flows into it from the heart of America, as by the tides that lap its shores. The Gulf serves as the final destination for 33 major river systems, draining over 60% of the United States. These rivers act as highways, carrying water, nutrients, and sediment from thousands of miles away, all converging in this southern basin. Rain that falls on the plains of Montana, soil loosened from Pennsylvania hillsides, and nutrients washed from Iowa's rich farmland all flow south, merging into mighty rivers that pour their contents into the Gulf. Each drop of water and grain of soil tells a story of its own, connecting distant landscapes to the sea. The Mississippi River is king among these waterways, pumping nearly 600,000 cubic feet of fresh water into the Gulf every second. Its sheer power and scale make it one of the most influential rivers on Earth. But the river carries more than water. It brings a constant supply of sediment, rich with minerals and organic matter, that builds and shapes the coastline, creating the vast and ever-changing Louisiana Delta. Over thousands of years, this process built the land beneath cities like New Orleans, using soil that began its journey in the distant Midwest. The Delta is a living landscape, always shifting, always growing, until recently. The influx of fresh water and nutrients creates a rich ecosystem, a nursery for countless species of fish, birds, and other wildlife. These wetlands are among the most productive habitats on the planet, supporting both nature and people. But modern levees and dams have dramatically altered this natural process, starving the delta of sediment and causing rapid coastal land loss. The land that once grew now shrinks as the river's gifts are held back upstream. The very forces that built the land are now prevented from saving it. Human engineering, while protecting cities from floods, has come at a steep ecological cost. The Gulf's story is one of balance, between natural forces and human intervention, between the needs of industry and the needs of the environment. It is a delicate dance, with the future hanging in the balance. Its future depends on how we manage this delicate relationship, whether we can restore what's been lost, and ensure that the land continues to feed the sea for generations to come. To understand the Gulf, we must travel back 200 million years, when all continents were fused as Pangaea. As North and South America began to rift apart, a shallow basin formed, the embryonic Gulf of Mexico, periodically connected to the ancient ocean. The basin would fill with seawater, then evaporate under the Mesozoic sun, leaving behind thick layers of salt. This cycle repeated for millions of years, creating a massive bed of salt miles thick beneath the Gulf. Over time, rivers like the early Mississippi poured sediment into the Gulf, burying the salt under tens of thousands of feet of rock. The immense weight pressed down, causing the salt to flow and push upward, forming mushroom-shaped domes. These salt domes buckled and fractured the rock above, creating a unique subterranean world. The Gulf's geology is defined by this ancient dance of salt and sediment. It's a story written deep beneath the waves, shaping everything above. The Gulf's birth is a tale of continents torn apart and a hidden world of salt rising from below. Drain the Gulf, and you'd reveal a landscape as dramatic as any on land. Off Florida and the Yucatan, the seafloor slopes gently, the continental shelf, home to vibrant reefs and seagrass beds. Elsewhere, the shelf drops off sharply into the deep, forming rugged slopes and underwater canyons. At the bottom lies the abyssal plain with the Sigsbee Deep plunging over 14,000 feet down. This deep plain is eerily flat, blanketed by sediment carried by rivers over millions of years. The hidden landscape, shelves, slopes, and plains, shapes how water circulates and where life thrives. Shallow shelves are rich fishing grounds, while deep plains hold geological secrets and energy resources. The unseen world beneath the waves is as dynamic as the surface. The Gulf's topography is the stage for its ongoing story. Before oil rigs and hurricanes, the Gulf was a stage for human ambition and conflict. Spanish explorers claimed it as the Golfo de Mexico, a private Spanish lake and highway for treasure fleets. This wealth attracted pirates and privateers, turning the Gulf into a battleground for empires. Control of key ports like Veracruz, Havana, and New Orleans meant control of wealth and power. The founding of New Orleans gave France access to the Mississippi and made the city a geopolitical prize. The Battle of New Orleans cemented American control, shifting the Gulf's influence. From the age of sail to steam, the Gulf remained a critical artery for trade and power. Its waters have been shaped by ambition, conflict, and the pursuit of fortune. In the 20th century, the Gulf's true treasure was revealed: oil and natural gas. The ancient salt domes beneath the seafloor became perfect traps for hydrocarbons, turning the Gulf into a rich petroleum basin. The first offshore oil well was drilled in the 1930s, launching a new era of innovation and engineering. Platforms rose to withstand hurricanes and drill miles deep, making the Gulf a laboratory for offshore technology. This relentless drive unlocked a bonanza of energy, fueling America's economic boom. Today, thousands of platforms dot the Gulf, making it a global energy powerhouse. The industry has shaped coastal economies, bringing both wealth and environmental risk. The Gulf's ancient salt is now the foundation of a modern treasure hunt for black gold. The Gulf of Mexico is a nursery for some of the world's most destructive storms. Its semi-enclosed shape and slow-circulating waters trap heat, creating perfect conditions for hurricanes. By late summer, surface temperatures soar, fueling these storms. The Loop Current, a deep, warm river from the Caribbean, injects even more energy, allowing storms to rapidly intensify. A weak hurricane can explode in strength overnight, making Gulf storms notoriously unpredictable. Hurricanes like Katrina, Rita, and Ida all intensified over these superheated waters. The same features that make the Gulf unique also make it a formidable threat. It's a place of immense bounty and immense power. The Gulf storms are a reminder of nature's unpredictable force. The Gulf's influence reaches far beyond North America. It helps regulate Europe's climate. Warm water from the Loop Current exits through the Straits of Florida, becoming the Gulf Stream. This powerful ocean current carries heat northeast, warming the air over Western Europe. London, at the same latitude as Calgary, enjoys mild winters thanks to this transatlantic river of warmth. Without the Gulf's heat engine, Europe would be far colder and less hospitable. The Gulf of Mexico is a global climate regulator, quietly shaping distant continents. Its reach is a profound reminder of our planet's interconnected systems. America's hidden ocean gem is, in truth, a small sea with a long global reach.